Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to be doing a camera test on the iPhone 6 camera. So right now we're actually recording at 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is the maximum the iPhone 6 camera can go. And it's not that stable. Definitely doesn't look great. It actually looks pretty average. You could see, but when you do go into some like if you go close up onto something, it blurs the rest of the background, which is pretty good. It's pretty smooth because it's 60 frames per second. It's an 8 megapixel camera, and if we go close up on this flower right here, we zoom in, you can see it looks a little bit more pixelated. So yeah, this is what it looks like, kind of more in a light environment, you know. Like, this is kind of more of a light environment. Now I'm going to show you kind of a dark environment. This isn't the darkest environment, but it's pretty dark, surrounding all these like trees and stuff. And you can see it doesn't look horrible, I guess. That might also be because we're not really in the darkest environment. So if we go here though, kind of get an idea. It's a little bit more grainier, but it doesn't look too bad. If we zoom into something in the dark environment, then it's definitely grainier, so it doesn't look as good. So yeah. Now we're testing the front-facing camera, and this is the weak point of the iPhone 6. The camera is not good at all. If we go here, I guess it looks okay in lighter environments, but if we go into more of a dark environment, it looks, I guess it looks okay, but it doesn't look great. So yeah, it's 1.2 megapixels, can record, I believe, 720p, 30 frames per second. So yeah, you can see, kind of makes my face darker. Yeah, it's not great. I guess you could do it for Snapchat, but definitely does not look great, especially right here. This is a really good example, or bad example, or good example, yeah. You can see it does not look great at all. Like, look at this, not great. So yeah. Now I'm gonna be testing the slow-mo. So I'm gonna be shooting with the main camera, but I'm gonna be doing it kind of like this, where you're doing kind of that. And I'm gonna be jumping and showing you. It's records at 720p, 240 frames per second. So yeah. So that kind of is what it looks like. It does not look great, but I mean, it's average, I guess. And I guess you could use this camera. You can see. I'll try to get kind of a good shot right here of maybe some good photos or videos. Yeah, see, it's kind of it has trouble focusing also. That's another problem. You can see. That's a little bit better, you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.